From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 53 of NECO 2025 is on probability without replacement. It says a bag contains 3 yellow and 2 red identical balls. If 2 balls are picked at random, one after the other without replacement, what's the probability of picking 2 balls of different color? So this is how we do this. First of all, total ball will be 3 yellow plus 2 red equals to 5. So probability of different colors is probability of yellow, red, or probability of red, yellow. Since it is without replacement, it means if I picked a yellow, that means my yellow has decreased by 1 and my sample space has decreased by 1. So yellow red is 3/5 times red is running 2 and the total sample space is running 4 because it's without replacement. Or red yellow is 2/5 times yellow is 3/4. And this is 2. Here is 2. This is 3/10. 2 here is 2. This is 3/10. And this is simply 6/10. And 2 can go 3/5. And that's C. Thank you for watching.